welcome to Cultural Naturals. We're here to show you how to make henna with hibiscus. Henna with hibiscus brings out the darkest color. If your hair is black, it will become jet. If it is gray, they will get red tones, red tints. And if you treat again another round of henna on those red tones, it will become really dark, almost black. That's how you even disappear the grays to those of you that are looking for black. Anyway, so what we need, a container here for sieving in our stuff, our henna, the henna powder, hibiscus. See, this is the hibiscus, yeah, and then a jug of hot water, yeah, and then spoon and fork for mixing, or whisk if you can. So very simple. So now we're going to start by making the henna, the hibiscus. So I'm going to grab here like a handful, one handful. This is 50 grams of henna, which is one of our sachets at retailing at 15,000 from recommended retail price. Anyway, so I'm going to make 2 handfuls. It's all about measuring. As long the goal is getting a porridge peanut consistency paste. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to make 3 handfuls. Yeah, there you go. So now I'm going to get the hot water and then I'm going to pour that into the hibiscus. Until the level of the hibiscus. And I'm going to leave it there. I can get my spoon to press it in. Make sure that everything is in the water. And then leave it as that. And that we're going to leave for the hot water to pull out the hibiscus for a few minutes. And then after that, we are able to sieve it and pour it into the henna. When it is warm, so pour it into the henna and mix. So get back to that. God willing, God bless. This hibiscus has sat for some time. It's still warm, but now red. You can see the red has come out. This red is not as red as I would usually like, because this hibiscus was more fresh. The drier, the darker. So we're just going to sieve it in here, just like that. Just like that, and then just measuring to our paste, and then mix to our paste. So we're mixing and mixing, just mix just like that until we get the consistency we're looking for. There we go. So even there, use your eyes, use your imagination. You can see the red in there. And then just mix and mix and mix. I think that's enough now. Just have to mix now. So the whole deal is to keep on stirring until all lumps come out. Then just add in a tiny bit more. But it's what darkens hair, people. Darkens it the most, even in your nails, even if you want to do the body art as well. This is the best because it brings out really dark. Still slightly heavy. Gonna mix some more. So I was right in my measurements. So 3 handfuls of the henna, of the hibiscus into 50 grams. Just pour the water, the hot water, to the same level as the hibiscus. Leave it to sit for a few minutes, like 10 minutes to cool down a bit, just become warm, and then sieve into the henna and keep mixing. You get the point. That's it. Then we're going to cover it and then leave it to sit for overnight. Now we finish mixing the henna with the hibiscus to a smooth runny paste. You can see it looks like cake batter, ready to go. So now we're just going to cover it and set it aside to set in a cool place for at least 12 hours overnight, or 24 hours. The longer it sets, the stronger it will be. Then first pulls the strength in that it's going to give back. And you have to know something. Using henna will dry your hair, will make your hair hard if you don't follow it with our treatment shampoo here. This is the cedar Ayurvedic. It is an expert. The henna is the man, the cedar is the woman, I say. So this is our cedar Ayurvedic shampoo. If you, after the henna treatment, you finish off with this, it will soften and silken the hair and define the curls.